Fua wamuso efa eye tadindo ne tatale kwano so no wamuso sra ban no pa sa kwane die nyame animu ni enye eno ewo eye tatale sanguli mensimu ewo northern region wo se aban me ye kwane ma won se be ye beji ni pakra nkwa Adom Kasee etwasui
Ekwan a efiri tatindo sanguli ene enkura hodo a ewo tatale sanguli mensini ni mu no esan tibia boni a ewo mu nti no ama akwani abedie ayedene amamanfo a wote ho no mo pa timamufuo echiremu a se dia kwan no asei ni nti ama ayarehwe ho nsem ewo mensini ni mu aye bibie wo ho enfa ho se wonom na hye bedwani eye soafo abedie kira wo hye akwan ene akwan tempon so
ti obi yare a moye den.
So far, so obey a character now. What my dear director, want to me cause speed be a papa to me far. The one motor, no, South Quentina, motor, sir.
It's very, very bad, and especially during the rain season like this. Anytime it rains, people cannot even travel from hometown to Tatale, which is the district capital. So people here always find it difficult, as you can see it yourself. Just the last 3 days it rained, people were not able to cross the road to Tatale town. So we are finding it very difficult, and we are also farmers, and that is where we normally send our farm produce to sell. So due to this, the farmers here always complain all the time, and they bring a lot of losses to family or the farmers, which they cannot even sell their things in normal times.
Ubo John Kubaja Kamayi eye sangule hene. Wani amani boni nkomo twetwe mu and wodi to just say
rainy season we are cut off, no vehicle can pass. As at now, a vehicle cannot pass there unless a motorbike, even when you are passing, it's a problem for you to go to Tatale when you are carrying heavy thing. So it's a problem for us. We are having a very big problem. The government should come and help us to have a road. They should just construct the road from Tatale to Belando, linking to Bisayim, Tatundo, Sangule, up to Nambo, Maton, and Biyando. From that area, that it will now link to Togo. All the places I'm mentioning, they are all Ghanaian.